So as a result, the students grow up very self-reliant and they know themselves well. But what happens is that they grow distant from their family because of the difference in the belief system now. So we may become very confident individuals, but what happens is we become alien to our parents and we don't fulfill the expectations of the parents. So what do you think? There is a role as a daughter or a son also to be fulfilled, and there is a role as an individual as well. So how do we crack that balance?
See, we must understand this. Inquiry, seeking, questioning does not mean you take on to another belief system. Leaving one belief system and going into another belief system is not a better place. It's just a new gang. Right now, in the world, there are theists and atheists. Theists means those who believe there is God. Atheist means those who believe there is no God. But the problem is, both of them believe something that they don't know. One person believes positively, another person believes negatively, and one person thinks he is superior to the other. But the problem is the same with both the people. They are not sincere enough to admit, we really don't know. The reality is you don't really know, isn't it so? Hello? Do you know for sure? Hello? Do you know for sure how this creation was made? You don't know. But both are not sincere enough to admit. But one thinks they are very superior to the other. They think the theists are idiotic, they're going to the temple and doing Ram Ram. But the theists have compassion and pity for these people. They are not connected to our God, so they're lost. But the problem is, both of them neither have the courage nor the commitment to admit that I do not know and seek what is the truth about it. There is no courage and commitment to seek. That is why both of them are taking their own conclusions, but one thinks is better than the other. So being in an institution like this, especially design, if really design has to flow out of you, one important thing is there's no conclusion in your mind about anything, about anything. But it takes a lot of courage to live without conclusion. To simply live here without taking sides, without concluding this or that, to simply look at life in constant wonder, takes some courage. It's easy to belong to some gang or the other, and unfortunately, joining a new gang, people think new gang is better than the old gang. No, this will also become old in some time, just a little bit of time. You have to wait for 10 minutes, it'll be a old gang. So, do we have duties to our parents? It is not a duty. It is just that we must understand, we were not born like this. We were born helpless little babies. Somebody fed us, somebody washed our ass and, somebody did all those things for us when we could not do any of those things. Somebody made us stand up, somebody protected us, somebody nourished us. Out of this, out of gratitude, we do certain things. At the same time, we don't surrender what we wish to do with this life because it's a fresh life. This has to do something new. So there are civilized ways of doing these things, of breaking away from everything that your parents are and still maintaining. It's not a balance, there's no balance, it's an imbalance. When you want to do something very revolutionary, they're not going to agree with it. But the problem with most of the young people is, they will get angry that somebody is stopping them. No, they're not stopping you, they are telling you the best that they know. Yes or no? They're trying to do the best that they know. If you appreciate that, they're only trying to do the best that they know, it doesn't mean you have to give in to what's best that they know. As a new generation, you must do something new, otherwise what's the point of one more generation? We could have ended with ours. Yes, what is the point of a new generation if you don't do anything new? But they will get angry that you're breaking away. You don't have to get angry, you can still be loving, hug them and do what you have to do. Yes, because the relationship with the parent is not of intellectual evolution or revolution. It is of love and protection and care. That's a relationship. Please maintain that part of it and do whatever the hell you want.
So empathy